Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jalen. Today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me as I clean out a space in my room for all of my sublimation supplies and as I do an Amazon unboxing haul. So this is what we're working with right now. I kept this little area right here as my makeup area because I love to do my makeup still, so we didn't want to get rid of all of that. And then I plan to put the mug and tumbler press right here. And then I plan to put my printer right here. So I will see you guys. Alright guys, here we are. Let's do an unboxing together. Okay guys, so first things first. We have these. And I totally messed up because I thought it came with the car coasters to sublimate, but it did not. It just came, it's just the packaging for it. So there's a little cardstock and then the little plastic packages to put them in. So I'm going to go and order some car coasters because I'm really upset that I was not paying attention. Clearly on Amazon it says packaging, but I don't know. I think I was too excited and I just ordered them. And then these are the earrings. This too, I thought they were bigger. So this is what comes with it. Some little pliers, the backs, and then little cardstock to package them. But it does not come with the plastic. And I would like that, so I'm gonna order that as well. And then these, I don't know why I thought they would be bigger. They look a good size on my camera, but in person they kind of look small. Maybe once I attach it to the pieces it'll look bigger, but this is what we got. Okay, here's the next part. I believe this is, I'm pretty sure this is the turntable, electric turntable. I'm really excited to see my work on that. So I'll show you guys how that looks once I get it unboxed. And then here we have the glass cups. I'm excited for these as well. Okay, so first things first, when I opened this, I immediately noticed just now that the straws are on the top, which I felt like they should have not been because it could have been broken really easily. But this is how it looks when you first open it. I haven't actually opened it. Let's take everything out. I'm so scared. These are fragile. So cute. Alright guys. Ta-da! So cute. So cute. And this is a pack of 2, 4, 6, 8. A pack of 8, and it was $25. So that's not bad. I can't wait to sublimate them and see how they look. Okay, up next is the 20-ounce tumblers. It's a 10-piece. Here's the straws. The top. These ones did come individually packaged. I do like that. And this is how the 20-ounce blank tumbler looks. How cute. I'm so excited, guys. I know I said that about everything, but I'm super excited to start this new journey, my new business. I'm excited to mess around with some designs. I'm just excited. Here's the turntable. It can be used with batteries or with the cable. So there's the place for the batteries. Came with this little placemat. It's like a grip placemat. That's cute. And then here's the cord for it, but you would need the box. And then I will show you guys later on in the video when I put a mug on there. Alright guys, I am so nervous. Like, does anybody else feel this way? I was so nervous. I was like, I could just leave it in the box and stare at it the whole time because I know it's perfect in there. So here's a tumbler mug press. Came with some sublimation paper, which I will have to buy some more. I thought it came with more than this. Oh, I'm sorry. It was the printer that comes with paper too, so I should be good. Some heat gloves. Alright, let's take this bad boy out. Here she is, guys, in all of her glory. Okay, so this is what it came with. 2 heat gloves, came with 2 rows of heat tape, the power cord, and then the user manual. And of course the heat press. Last but not least is the printer. Okay, so this is how it looks. Since I have the plastic, it did come with extra ink, so that's good. It came with 2 of every color. Oops. And then the power cord, and it came with this paper and also the instruction guide, guys. We got our little setup together, the printer there, laptop there, heat press there, and like I said, we kept our little makeup area. I ended up making this tumbler that night. It was my very first tumbler. It's so cute. I love the way it came out. I'll try to link everything down in the description box for you guys. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.